You might want to video call a friend on Snapchat, but there seems to be an error and your call doesn't go through. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat video call not working. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just going to open up a Snapchat application right here. And for example, I want to video call this certain friend. So you can just open up the conversation and click on this video icon right beside the phone icon, which is used to call with only the voice. But if you want a video call, you can click on this one and it will automatically call the person. So some reasons or some instances that the video call might not be working is that your friend is currently not online on Snapchat, or they're not connected to a Wi-Fi network or mobile data. So that might be the reason why your call is not notifying them as a call and can't answer you at the moment. So another thing is that they might have blocked you as well. So that might be the reason that your calls are not going through their Snapchat app. And another is that you may not be in their contact list. But if you're sure that those are not the instances on your side, the next thing that you can do is to go to your app store right here, and we can search for the Snapchat app. And what we're going to do from here is to make sure that our Snapchat app is up to date. So if it says open right here, that means that your Snapchat app is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update button, that means that your Snapchat is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button, and that might be accompanied with bug fixes like this one and might fix your issue on your video call not working. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.